Sobrang pogi!
Pasa daw, pasa.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Oh, pasa!
Ba't kasi nagtimbahay kayo? Bakit umuwi kayo agad? Bakit umuwi kayo agad? Ba't umuwi kayo?
Hi guys! Hi mahal!
Wag lang bumomba, baka mahuli. Saan po kayo? Secret! Saan po kayo? Secret! Boss, magsasangyup daw po kami. Boss,
Boss, sino yung hinihintay mo dito?
wala po.
May mitang ka, FB10A.
Sorry. Boss! Nalasing si Junjun. Mas kasi si Dino to.
Natawa lang po.
Story check! Story check!
Hi, Tori.
Ang ingay ang puto.
Wallpaper lang. Cheers! Wallpaper lang yan guys. Pogi po.
Ngayon yan lang pinalitan niya.
Look at my wallpaper.
Magkano ka ba isang araw?
Gabi pa naman. We're so lucky!
Saan kami? Secret. Dance lang.
Pogi, sige na.
and spotlight. Promise.
Wait lang, i-off ko lang yung radio, ha?
Boss, sobrang pogi mo para ka may sariling filter and spotlight.
Uy, hindi totoo yun.
Low-key lang.
4.6k
Ang pogi ni Bossing, grabe. Hi!
We're so lucky!
Boss Junjun.
Hoy, ang pogi ni Junjun.
Wala na yun. Doon ako pinakakinilig.
Wala ko yan. Let's say hi to Jay.
Hi, Jane! Why are you not here? Ay, si Ate Chikso.
Kasi naman, bakit kasi kayo umuwi na maaga? Ba't umuwi na maaga? Abang-lamang na kami guys.
Okay, zip.
Bakit tense na? Tatlo. Oy, guys. Ten kayo? Nine tayo. Oy.
Ten slot.
Kasama wala pa.
Papicture naman nung telephone mo.
Oh my God, Not! Not is here! Yeah! 100% bro! Where are you going? You wanna eat? Where are you going? You're hungry?
Thank you.
Let's go. You guys wanna go somewhere? Do you guys wanna eat somewhere?
Are you gonna treat us?
Home.
Are you gonna treat us?
I'll treat you guys.
Oh my God!
Where though?
With you. Why not?
Daddy's home. Kantahan niyo naman. Wala ka support.
Saan ba?
Pogi,
Manakamakor?
Ayun, daming tao, B.
Hindi na kailangan ng filter. Ilan po sa inyo? Parang
sa amin kayo sasabay?
Oo. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, guys. Sabi nila para daw ako anghel. Uy!
Okay na, 7 slot na. Ay, 7 daw.
Ang OA.
Sana lang na.
Hindi kayo gaganyan. Grabe naman yung ilaw dito. Sobrang... Grabe yung ilaw. Halatang yung ano ko, yung...
Gawa tayo GC. Oo yan, may GC na agad. Ano? At team po yan.
Madaling araw, tipo yan.
Team up.
Kita yung mga chismis ko dito. Kita yung ilaw. Ay, andyan pala kayo. Where do you guys wanna go?
Team bless tayo.
Tangina FB10 daw.
Connect. Nawala nila singkot eh.
Wala na tulog-tulog. Hindi na matutulog, direct uwi na.
Do you guys wanna go eat somewhere? Where do you wanna eat?
Ay, pwede mo na eat daw. Oh, convoy. Convoy na lang.
May carton ba?
May motor pa. May motor. Nakakas niya ako.
5.4k viewers. Kuya! Kuya, mag-hi ka naman. Sinisita mo kami. Si Kuya, nang sisita.
Alis na kami, kuya.
Thank you.
Magsasang kami, kuya. Thank you.
Not, you wanna come right with us? Yeah. Eros, dito ka na sa likod. Say hi, guys! Saan kayo?
Asa ba yung party? Asa yung party mo? Huwag pa alalahanin yung party. Nawawalan yung party mo.
Alam niyo ba? Secret!
Ano ba yun? Not the mirror.
Saan kayo kakain? I wanna eat with you guys. Ow! Alam niyo yung ano? Alam niyo yung Canto Freestyle? Canto Freestyle. BGC.
Ano yun? Para sa
Go there now.
Guys!
Oh my God!
Huwag niyo ikalat ko.
Alam niyo yung ano? Alam niyo yung
Nakalive ka na boss. Si boss.
Nakalive na boss.
Ay, wala kayo narinig. Mute. Ay, narinig na nila. Marinig guys.
wala namang tao nanonood.
Ang dami namin mo.
Daddy's home. Canto Freestyle BGC.
Let's eat now. Let's eat.
I'm gonna treat you guys. Go there.
Anyong. We have not here.
Yeah, we have not. Oh my God, passenger princess.
Not here to just okay. I'll get your bag. Am I gonna die? No. Just good luck.
Not. Are you ready to scream?
Di ako passenger princess.
Yeah. Yung paper ghost ba? Yun.
No, not in the paper ghost, ha? The... Ako na mag-ano. Boss, mas malapit tayo sa Makati. Canto Freestyle, dun sa may malapit sa football field. Makati po. Saan po dito? BGC na lang mas malapit kami sa ano. BGC.
Okay, sama kayo. Ayan, wala alcohol. Oh, ayan, ang dami pa nila.
Holy water. Hello everyone.
Going to eat.
Ilabas yung kamay.
B, let's go. Not, are you ready to scream?
I'm gonna die.
Let's go. See you there.
Ate.
See you there. Kaya pa ba ng isang tao dito?
No na. Isa pa?
No na? No na. Guys, Makati? Or...
No, BGC.
Guys, ang tawag doon?
Ako na magsabi.
Sabihin mo.
Guys, if you wanna go.
Where's my phone?
Here.
Annyeong. We're gonna go to Canto Freestyle. Oh my God, si ano to? Si Brave Designer Folk. Designer Folk.
Designer, halika di. Ice.
Designer Folk! Say hi!
Ice. Hey!
Right then I look and I'm frozen and the dance right. Ayan, mga bata ko, hindi alam.
Sorry, timbahan. Tingit na sila.
Ang aga nyo ako ha!
Ibabash lang.
Huy, 6.1 thousand. Ayan yung mga mayayabang.
Tulog na po kayo.
Guys, wag umuwi agad.
Busog na kami, kakain pa kami.
Ay, busog na kayo. O, wag na kabila kayo.
Busog na kami. Kakain pa ulit tayo. Kakain ulit.
Okay. Okay na ka. We're going on a trip. On a favorite rocket trip. We're going to eat. So, see you. BGC, Temporado. See you guys.
temporada.
Ay, sunod kayo ha.
Canto freestyle. Dandan lang po ha.
Not, are you ready to scream?
Not good luck. Not good luck. Ito yung ano, lagay mo doon.
Not, take a video. While shouting.
Dapat kayo not.
Not, you want to hold this.
Slide back. Bro.
Did she drive? Will she get banned?
Because you guys love is blind. Please first of all.
Please po. Please go. Please go.
Guys,
Promise go.
sunod kayo ha. Hindi ako tumitingin dito kasi hindi ko ang
Ang galang yung sasakyan.
sabihin na lang ang parents na bloom.
Passenger princess.
Hoy! Hindi sa stop kayo ha! Hindi ko kasi angle to eh. Pasensya na. Kahit hindi na kayo sumunod.
Canto freestyle guys.
Ay! Ang ingay! See you later! I love you! Ang ganda nito!
Will she get banned?
Oh my god!
Okay, where?
Okay na Carl.
Okay na.
Turn right.
Hi, Not!
Hello! Charlotte live. I love it here. Hindi ko ramdam.
Pag sa likod pala, no?
Not, are you okay?
Sorry, Not. Okay, I'm gonna
okay.
chill now. I'm gonna chill now. So, how's life?
I'm okay.
Are you with us?
Yes, of course.
Oh, are you live?
Wala siyang choice. Should.
Should I
You
close?
might get banned.
Should I close the live?
Wait. Are you on the light? The light! Hello!
You might get banned.
Don't
Is that
show her
okay?
lang ha. Don't show
Yeah,
her.
just don't show me.
Should I put the green screen?
Maybe. Ayan.
But I need to choose a photo.
But when you went live, right? Last
Yeah.
time? You didn't get
That's okay na. That's okay. That's okay na
Not,
yan.
you should learn how to speak Tagalog,
Ang
okay?
hirap na
Okay po.
Okay po.
Okay. You know the rap, di ba? Yo! Oh,
Hindi mapalagay.
ang mga puso ka. Yung gano'n nga ng kamay.
Uy.
Where is Kiki?
Kiki went home.
Really? Going home na.
Kidnap not! This is the project Kidnap not!
Sorry na ka.
Slay.
God! How's Philippines so
How's
far?
Philippines?
I'm loving it.
You will... You should love Philippines, anak ha?
Of course. Of course.
Oh my God.
Speechless si Bading.
We will tour you!
We tour you in J. Rizal.
JP Rizal, Rizal, and also in Marikina.
You want flood? I give you flood.
You want floods? Any disasters? Not you okay, huh?
Okay.
We have floods, volcano eruptions.
Oh, in Singapore, there's no flood.
Oh, there's no flood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should welcome Not with so much flood.
Let's go. Let's go.
Right then I look with the mountain and
Laksan mo.
oh, red! Maharanain kita. Saan tayo magpunta? O di ba tayo cute note, they said.
Dahil po, dahil.
Very pogi. For CEO, mag-ingat mag-drive. Okay na ka. Okay na ka. Rat, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Just speak in English so that when you okay, speak in English. I told no to learn how to speak Tagalog. Yeah, you should. Ano, si enter the Philippines.
It's so difficult.
Same here, bro.
24.
Whoa! For real? I didn't see that. Okay, naka. Not, do you drink?
A little bit.
Really? Why a little bit?
Because I go gym.
You're in the Philippines, don't you? You have to try lang
balot.
to drink.
You have to try ng balot.
We need to
What's
drink.
that?
We need to drink together. Yeah. You know your friend? The friend?
No,
Your
diretso
friend?
ka lang.
Your
Which friend?
girlfriend?
Diretso ka
My
lang.
girlfriend?
Hindi ka kakaliwan.
What's okay? Pinaright niyo. What's your girlfriend not? No,
Who?
your friend. Your friend. What's your friend? The pretty girl.
Which one?
Starts with the letter M.
Oh,
Akin na to. Naka-Makati ka.
We need to drink together.
I'm not good with alcohol.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll save you, bro. I'm good with alcohol. You know? You just wash your hands. You wash your hands, you know? Just kidding na ha.
Aranayin kita.
Try. Okay na. Not. My life here in the Philippines is really like this, you know? I just like having fun with my friends and, you know, making the most out of our lives.
I mean, you should. You work so hard.
Yeah, we work so hard.
Yeah,
you know?
all of you.
Yeah. That's it. So many English. Oh my god, my hair is so strong. My hair is so strong. Oh, 6 minutes. Are you hungry?
I'm okay.
Did you eat any Filipino food today?
Today, no.
Really? What did you eat today? What did you eat today?
Western.
What?
Ribs and chicken.
Beef and chicken? Where did you eat?
The same mall. I forget the stone. I forgot the name of the restaurant, but it's the same mall as Cow Manila.
Is it good or this year?
It's good.
You know, every time there are like visitors here in Manila, and I like to treat them well. Like I want them to eat the best food, Filipino food, right, guys? Yeah. That's it. Good night.
Show your face. OMG. Waste time nila sa live mo.
Whose live is this? Not mine.
Yours.
Oh, it's my live?
Yeah.
Really?
Kanina pa.
I didn't know. Who's there?
Who's there, guys? English naman.
So English. I'm panicked. No, they're not. They're not to speak.
Okay po.
Okay, sorry. Singapore, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you teach us some Chinese words or something?
Ni hao.
Ni hao. What else?
It's like hi.
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
Curse words.
Who is she gonna get banned?
Oh really?
I'm scared she get banned.
TikTok though.
I think they know.
Okay, just say. Oh shit, ang ganda ni John. Ay, how do you say that in Chinese? Oh wait, you speak in Chinese, right?
Yeah.
Wait, you live in Singapore, but you speak in Chinese?
We speak English, Chinese, Malay, everything.
Really?
Yeah, it's a multiracial country.
Wait, so good night. Wait, where were you born?
Singapore.
Ah, really?
You thought I was Thai?
No, I thought you were. Oh, yeah, I kind of thought you were Thai.
No, I learned Thai.
Oh.
Okay, go get that.
Why are you always in Thailand? Is it because of NASA?
No,
Or-
because all my friends are there also.
Really?
Yeah.
You have a lot of friends in Thailand?
Okay,
Yeah.
you have to stay here in Philippines
I
because
don't
you
have
have
friends.
us.
I don't have friends in Thailand.
Let me know where you go. You know
I
Sue?
usually where do you usually go?
Nakago.
I think
Wala, here lang sa Philippines. Ikaw
in
yung
Thailand.
dalain.
Where do we usually go in Thailand?
Only in Bangkok.
Yeah,
Stay
just
in Bangkok.
yeah.
Meetings and
I mean, you guys almost went everywhere already.
Yeah, when we went there, we actually got bored. Because we usually just go to like coffee shops and museums.
There's so much
What
good
else?
food. Night markets.
Yeah, we went.
Judge.
Did we go to?
No, not yet. No, not yet. No.
There's 2 job fair. There's 2.
We tried to go to job fairs, but when
it
we
was
went
closed.
there, it was closed.
Eh?
Yeah.
Around 1
One-
a.m. I think.
Yeah, they close around 1 a.m.
I thought they closed at around like 4 a.m. or 5.
Kung saan yung may temporado.
Ah, okay.
Tapos pupunta yung iba doon.
Chatuchak is also open, but only on weekends.
Yeah. Do you always go there?
Yeah,
Thailand?
I always go there.
Yeah, you have a lot of friends there, right?
I have a gay friend there who's also Filipino.
Yeah, I saw.
Isa sa liban dyan.
Dude, if you guys meet him, you will love him.
Where is he?
Thailand.
He's studying there.
Thailand? Oh, really?
Baby, my friend.
안녕하세요. Oh, my GF. Oh, what? Sorry.
Not. Go read the comments.
Someone said does not have a girlfriend.
Huh?
Someone asked if I have a girlfriend.
Do you?
I'll go. Do you have girlfriend?
Ako single po.
Where is Nessa daw? Nessa is
Where's
home.
Nessa?
Where is Nessa?
Home.
Already home.
Single palagi not.
But I'm hungry. That's why I don't wanna go home.
Let's go eat.
Yo.
Alam mo,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna treat them
Thank
food. So thank you for that. Till when are you gonna stay here?
24th.
Damn, that's long.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to a fan meet.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Nessa should come soon.
She's going home on the
If
18th.
she'll be able to go there.
I told her to come.
Right, turn
I
right.
don't know if she's
And then turn right. Turn. Alam mo na kung saan tayo magpapark ha?
no. I hope she stays.
I think she has work though.
She has work.
I think so. If I'm not wrong.
Wala na yung walk.
Okay.
Left na ka.
Okay.
And then turn left na ka. What are they saying? Comment section.
Where are we going? We're going to eat.
Yeah, we're going to Canto Freestyle.
It's here.
It's a breakfast meal for not.
Here. It's here. Ay, ina sarado? Or
Hey, close.
no? No,
Ay,
no.
open. Ay,
Can you ask if we can park here?
check lang. Close. Look,
Really?
Look, oh.
Maybe we can eat there sa Angel's Pizza.
Angel's Pizza na lang.
Can you try to ask?
Wait,
Or
what?
maybe go to Bob.
Wait,
Bob, go to ba yun? Go to Bob para pares. Pero sinabi natin sa mga tao na we're gonna go here.
Sino ba yung mga yun? Hindi kilala.
I mean, go out.
Doon na lang tayo sa Angel's Pizza.
Yeah, we can eat there.
We'll eat.
Seryoso,
You want me to
close?
move?
Oo, close. Ayun
You
na.
want me to... 안녕하세요. Go to Tendon. Am I cute?
Sarado yung Canto Freestyle. Mag-park ka na dito.
Can you ask if we can park here? Thank you for that. Because I'm gonna treat them. So thank you for treating us some food. Ang tigas na ng ano ko, ng buhok ko, babe.
May kasalanan.
Guys, kanina ang dami nagpa-picture sa akin, kamo. Nobi, grabe, ang dami nagpa-picture. Feeling ko ang artista ko talaga.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm so happy. I wanna take photos with everyone. Kahit na ang haggard ko na, bahala na. Sana talaga may picture, may filter lahat ng nagpa-picture. Ha? What?
You can park dito sa side. Pero, if dumating yung marshal, you have to park inside the Avida.
Okay.
Okay?
So, close yung Canto Freestyle.
Angel's Pizza.
Okay, Angel's Pizza na
Move
lang.
tayo para alam naman ng mga pupunta
Okay,
dito.
can you, ano?
Andiyan! Ang ilaw. Not, come here. Doon sa other side, ah.
Doon?
check. Fit
I'm
check.
wearing Crocs.
Why are you on Crocs?
I gave my shoe to Nessa to wear.
Ah, because she had crumbs.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Are you happy?
Of course.
Let's wait for Jancy. That's enough. Okay na. Tuturutut. Tingnan natin kung smooth. Tada! Okay na. I miss you po. Charlotte, yung phone ko. Ang ingay naman ito. Ang baho. Amoy ano na ako. Tambutso. Pagbuksan natin si Miss Lou.
Lalabas yung bag ni Yancy.
Yung susi ko.
Nasa dito sa likod.
Ano sa'yo? Yung susi.
Andito, B. Anong kukunin mo?
Susi. Or this one. With the car.
Hindi ko ba nilagay dyan? Pa-car wash mo na lang to, te.
Wala dito.
Hindi, nandyan nata sa likod.
Ha?
Ako maghahanap. Hawakan nyo to. Pasok na kayo sa loob, tapos order na kayo. Pupunta ba yung mga yon?
I don't know.
Lalabsog.
Here. Grabe naman yung filter nito.
Huwag pa naman ako itimbog, B.
No, walang filter yan. Guys, we have, new,
Okay. We're gonna eat.
oh, token. Hello po.
Ano gusto mo po?
There?
Sabi na lang.
Okay.
Tapos ipag-click mo natin.
Here po.
How many?
Baka mga ano kami, 15. Hi, Not. Do you think they will arrive?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, are you not? What's with you? In the hotel.
Where are you staying? Ay, sorry. Hi, Naka. No speak English today.
Kain tayo po. Kain tayo po.
Hi, Naka. 3 a.m. na, nakakaya matulog.
Simbang gabi na ako, no?
Simbang gabi.
Not, you
Hi,
know what's
guys.
simbang gabi?
I'm with Not. Look at.
For 10 days.
Why?
Every night.
Why?
That's simbang gabi. Church at night.
Kumusta po? I'm okay.
And if you finish the church for 15 days, you can have one wish.
Oh my God.
That's
Not you say Miss Lupa Utang.
Miss Lupa, utang po.
Uy. Uy. Did I do something wrong a while ago? No.
Did you do something wrong?
Wait.
Really? Trust.
Oh, hindi na ako nakamute. Oh, ayan na. Hindi na nakamute. Ang kiklingi nyo naman. Let's treat not, let's order the best.
Are you okay now?
Hi. Note and me in one frame. Andyan na ka. And gutom na ka.
Hindi pa kumakain 24
Di pa
hours.
kumakain. Not water mo daw ang Coke. Ay, tumigil. Guys, tumigil kayo. Huwag nyo kong issue para hindi tayo matimbog. Susutayin ko kayo. Sige. It's 3:22.
Miss Lu, guwapa po.
Hi guys. We're here.
Sino naka-live? Baka naka-live ba kayo?
Yeah, naka-live kami.
Why?
Wait.
Chismis.
Guys, wag nyo akong i-ship. Sige, susuntokin ko kayo. Para hindi tayo matimbog dito.
Parang first bed. Actually, first bed.
What do you guys want? What's your favorite pizza here? Huh? Okay, two spinach and then what else? What do you want? Alam mo, gusto ko yung barbecue dito eh. Barbecue. And then
Family size.
yeah. And
Ito lang yun ah.
ito yun or kayo all in Texas.
All Miss Texas.
Tapos garlic. Ha? Gusto mo yung may ganito? Para may
Order tayo.
maybe we could order this one like this. Ay! Okay.
Oh, final answer week now.
Okay.
1 surgery. Yuta po. Yuta.
Filter po.
Thank you.
Behin.
She said, I hope you like this shirt. If you see.
And then
We bought like a shirt for Chloe.
Ah.
Yeah.
Anong bago? Mexican. Nanay.
If you want to,
crispy na.
Not. You want some dessert?
Sure.
You wanna try everything here on the menu?
We have sabon con yelo.
Let's order everything.
Okay.
This one, this one, this one.
Or not.
Yeah.
Uy!
Some pasta.
It's okay na ka.
Pasta you want? Order na.
Anong order niya, guys?
Nati. Ate.
Hi, Mape.
Mapi!
Card ko. Is it with you? Card. Card ko.
Hi. Look, I have new stuff here. Thank you.
Ate Lu, you wanna say hi?
Hi, guys.
Okay, bye. Okay.
We're gonna eat pizza because this is the only restaurant that's open right now. You go with them or you go with me?
Joke!
Why? Somehow.
Hindi para makik tayo dito, di. Tumalma ka dyan.
We're kaibigan.
We're friends.
Kaibigan?
Kaibigan?
No, it's kaibigan. Not kaibigan, it's kaibigan. Friends, not lovers.
Boss pa headlock daw.
Ano yun? I'm so lucky today, you know?
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very
You're with
happy.
boss?
Uy, pogi.
You're so foggy, you don't need filter.
You're so pogi, no?
Yes. Pero you don't need to be insecure.
No! He's pogi.
Yes.
You're so fast.
Boss dati sa bangko. Guys, nakamute ba ako? No.
No.
Hi, Not. Are you happy, Not?
I forgot the word. Masaya ako.
Masaya ako.
Masaya ako.
Guys, stop shipping. Sige, go. Main tong live. Sige, gusto nyo yun. Tumigil kayo. Stop. Stop. Galing ni Not magtagalog. Tuturuan ko si Not magtagalog.
It's 3:32 a.m. Napindot si Engel.
Who? Laruan niyo na lang ng Tagalog, Miss Lo. Ayoko.
Sino po?
Dapat daw marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Ay, gogi. Nakuha na lang.
Bawal. Hi guys. Ay, andyan kayo? Ay, andyan pala kayo? Oh my God. Yan.
Hala, otoke ang dami, guys.
Ay, kulang yung order.
May tawag kinala mo? Sorry kami guys. Sorry. I'm not gonna move now.
Hala, ba't andito kayo?
Boss, congrats sa new collection mo. Sold out ako.
Eros, orderan mo sila. Same ng order natin.
Ano madami yun? 4 na pizza yun.
2 na lang sa kanila.
Isog ka dito. May baka ako yung iba. Ano yun?
Uy, sobrang pogi.
Ito yung iba para makaupo. Guys, may space pa ba dyan? Hindi na kaya.
The right Wesley. I don't know Bisaya. Okay lang ako po. Sawadika.
I'm gonna translate. Birthday ng dad mo. Gusto mo bang ihalikan?
Cute. Cute.
They're asking, are you feeling not?
Uy, sobrang pogi.
She's so purple.
Sobrang pogi.
Bakit naman kinikili? Ay! Uy! Nandito po kami. Mamaya na yan. Eros, look! I have new stuff.
You guys want me to die? Maganda po.
Who's maganda? Who's maganda? Her? Anyong kanya?
Namamasko.
Namamas ko po. It's like saying Merry Christmas. Hoy, bumibinggo tayo ngayon. Yeah, it's like an expression. No, it's an expression. I don't know how to explain it, but it's an expression. It's like a curse, but not a bad thing. It's like they use it as an expression.
Dito.
Hindi daw yan siya makakatulog. Crush ka na daw niya. Daw niya. May magpaalam mo na kay Kailan. Okay na namin.
Uy! Until nasa...
Uy! Parang I cannot drive na. I wanna check in sa Holiday Inn. I'm kinda drunk. Ikaw na matutulog. Guys, matulog na kayo. 3.7k. Okay? Huwag hanapin ang wala. Blue, nice wallpaper. Yeah, here's my wallpaper.
Thank you.
Sign here. Ito. Ano to ha? Power of attorney. Power of attorney. Sa akin mapapasa lahat ng mga kayamanan. Okay na po. Hindi. Yun ang pinakamaganda. Yun ang pinakamaganda.
Pwede mo mag-practice mo.
Uy, sa kamay. Ba't siya to? Papotato ko ka.
Akin din.
Ay, sayang. Ayun.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Salok na lang. Para hindi halata.
Gusto mo sa noo?
Pero meron na kami pa. Papatato daw po.
I'm so sleepy.
Thank you.
Hi, Lou. Have you and Alexa? Wow, thank you. Thank you, Naka.
Makakapagod tayo ngayon.
Ang cute.
Charlotte is left-handed now. Is Miss Lou English shipper? Yeah.
Ano dito?
Jowa.
Ayaw mo akong mahal. Ngayon mo lang akong minahal.
Jowa.
Mika. Mika mine.
Mika mine.
Ayan. Hello, boss. Pero mas mahal niyo ito. Ako yan.
Sinesa to?
Si Eros.
Ito na lang.
Hi, Angel.
Uy, isang ba si Ninang Rai?
Parker yung
Who?
Parker niyo.
Ninang
Nabubura.
Who's that?
Hindi.
Who's Ninang Rai?
Hindi mo kayo
Hindi permanent. Tingnan mo nabubura.
Miss Lou. Hi, Kenzie.
Ninang Rai.
Who's Ninang? Uy, tumahimik kayo. Susuntukin ko kayo.
Ninong Rai?
Quiet. Huwag kayong magganyan-ganyan dito sa comments. Stop.
Hindi permanent.
What's that?
Dito mo kasama yung water pipe yan.
Hindi kayo na pa kami
Charlotte looks so happy.
Permanent na ba yan?
Hindi, tutuyo lang. Kahit matuyo.
Ba't ka kinikilig?
Hindi talaga.
What's that?
Pero
Is that Nessa?
Maging mabait po.
Madulas lahat eh. Mabubura lang, sayang.
kahit pa kaya kay Gustoyo.
Alam mo, kasi ibibenta daw.
Ay, no.
Ako na bibili.
Not is here.
Show your jowa again.
Oh,
They asked me to show my jowa.
Kanina to? Ano name mo?
may kaya ka ba?
Kanya? Chandra?
She's from Nipambi.
Oopsies. Sorry po.
Where is Nessa?
Nessa.
Here.
Nessa matulog po.
Ouch.
Sorry po.
Pila ka na. They're telling you to line up.
Line up where?
Line up where? Where burger na. At the back. At the back of what?
Where? Like, oh, with Mika.
Okay, okay. Queen, as in queen. You know what it is. Laki na. Mika fans line.
Mine, Mika.
Ganap na ganap. Hoy! Inaaway nila ako. Ganap na ganap daw ako.
Guys, wag nyo namang awayin. Awayin nyo pa.
Grabe, nagta-translate lang ako.
Wag nyo awayin.
Inaaway nila ako.
Go, awayin nyo pa.
Not they're being mean, not me.
Maging mabait po.
Oh, nice one. Slay, slay, slay. Ayun naman pa. Cup na lang.
Nessa is ano na.
Nabubura sa akin.
She's not left-handed.
Hindi. Ikaw na siya. Promise. Nabubura talaga. Nabubura talaga sa akin.
Hindi po. I haven't seen Mika in person.
Ang cute! Baby Nessa is so pretty.
So cute.
My favorite Tagalog word, masakit.
Sa pants. Grabe yung pants. I was so yun. Hindi ko rin sure na rin sa parents.
Gusto niyo sa inyo na lang siya?
Yeah.
Pero pipicture ko.
Awag na. Okay lang. Ang haggard ko na siya.
Hindi, sige. Sa inyo na lang po.
Oh, thank you.
Bilat ni si.
Masakit liko ko.
You're asking how was the ride with dancing?
I love it. The ride was slay.
You're saying, cute ni CEO, left-handed. It's right-handed. It's right-handed. It's right.
Janay.
He looks scared, not? You're saying,
I look scared.
not scared. I don't have a paper. Can you sign this instead? Pwede mo sa pan?
There are more people. They're joining. Hindi po. Yeah guys, I saw Ate Noni Lee. Guys, maging mabait po.
Boss, can you say this instead?
Hello. Hi, you're so pretty.
I'm not gonna spend it. It's okay.
What do I think of her? Pogi. Sobrang pogi. Sobrang maganda.
What's your name? Jessica. Guys, hindi niya gagastusin yung pera.
Hindi ko ibibigay.
Nababan ba?
Para sa akin lang.
Why me? It's not me on the picture.
It's my girl. It's your loud one.
Hot.
How hot?
Bago pa makuha mo na naman eh. Ako kinuha mo na daw yung gari.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
Why?
What's your name? Jason.
Just a video or na lang mag-call? Video na lang. Thank you po.
Boss, dito daw po.
Sa pants na talaga. Yun na talaga yun.
Are you guys hungry?
I'm looking at you guys. Okay lang ako po.
How are you daw no? Sabi mo lang.
Okay lang ako po. Press 1 if Ate Lu pogante. Maganda po. Press 1. Thank you, Mosen. Press 1. Press 1 if pogi. Pogi.
Guys, eat na tayo. I'm hungry.
Ketchup.
Ketchup?
Yeah, after.
Do you like hot sauce?
I will die. I cannot.
Don't like spicy.
I'm okay with it, but I try not to eat.
Is that the hot sauce? Inaaway na ako. They're giving me a warning because I'm too close to it.
Ano yung pangalan ng ano? Ang self-service pa naman yung love-love. Si Eros, ang bigyan sa kapila. Hoy! Eros! Ama ka na! Kanan ka. Alam mo, konti na lang. Ang self-service na talaga, B. Tutumbak na siya.
Bingo ka na daw. May alam na. May bakit na. Shower na. Kailangan nyo mag-work para may takas sa
Guys, where are you getting? Sino may gusto nito?
Ah!
Order ba kayo kung bitin? Walang may gusto? Akin na lang. Barbecue. Ang dami ko na
Sino wala pa?
Sinong katabi mo dyan? May chicks ka dyan na. Parang may chicks ka dyan. Order ka pa! Kung ano gusto nila, orderin nyo lang.
Ah! Sorry guys! Sorry!
Isa pang pizza.
You want pizza?
Alam mo, mas masarap yung temporado.
Sorry na!
Gusto mo na makita yung
Iba to, yung big soup.
Yan na lang kasi.
Isang minute, isang ano ba?
Tama ka na, kumain ka na.
Tama na ba yung pag-dress?
Na-in-love na ako. Wala kasing gumagawa eh.
Ala, Islo.
Eh! Meron pa pala! Huwag na! Not you want this one. It's called sushi baked pizza. Wanna try? You're so thin.
I think it's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, you're so thin.
It's a little bit spicy.
Grabe na talaga siya.
Baka sabihin na sa'yo. Ayun pa na.
Oh my God. Ay, sorry. What? Ganyan?
Yes. I know.
Meron kami. Ito. Guys, no, why are you not getting chicken?
Is spicy?
This
No,
is not spicy.
sakto lang.
Get this one.
Not so spicy. Go.
Not. Eat more.
Thank you. What does it say? Diba?
Sabi nila, Tagalog ko daw. Ganun talaga. Ang sarap nito. Tapos na yung event eh. Kaya siguro ako mag-labit ng malas. Okay. Natin kain. No?
you like it.
What's that?
All the dessert, give it to her, him.
Oh my god!
Try everything.
You should gain weight before you go back to Singapore.
Try it first. I want you to try it. This is some Filipino dessert. You're a visitor. I want to treat you well.
You're a guest.
Tell me when you go to Singapore.
A guest of honor.
What is it called?
Huh? It's called sabakon yelo. In English, banana. In ice. In ice with ice under ice. You should mix it.
Sweetened banana with an ice.
Mix it.
Mix with the milk.
Yeah.
What flavor do you want, guys? Ay, ba't ba English? Anong gusto niyong ano?
Without the other.
Flavor.
You know what halo-halo is?
No red horse. Tama na yung inom, guys.
Yeah? Really?
After this, I'm going to go to the gym.
The halo-halo is like this one, but mixed with like ube, like
Sorry, guys. Wag nyo nang i-SR
halo-halo
yun.
in English literally translate to mix.
Okay,
Yeah,
I drink.
I think you heard it.
Okay, I eat that with you.
No. Not here. Panghi naman.
It's not like you like it. Really, you like it?
It's good. But I wouldn't get it again.
Yeah. I feel like it's because you didn't mix it very well.
Is it too sweet for your liking?
Si ate ko, oh.
Okay.
Not really.
You don't like it?
Or because is it too cold for this
Okay,
time of the day?
try this one.
Lalab. Lalab. Are you happy?
Translate yung ano, English ko.
What's this?
Lalab.
What is this?
Lalab.
It's called ube. Ube.
Yung mga damit mo nasa labas na. Yung mga damit mo nasa labas na.
Ube.
Pie,
Ube
it's a
pie.
coconut pie. So, sweetened coconut pie.
You know coconut? The one
It's a coconut nut.
it's a giant nut.
It's a giant nut.
When you eat the nut, it's a very good nut.
You get very fat.
So how is it?
Wala lang.
2 over 10. I won't get it again.
Hindi masarap. It's not yummy.
It's hot.
It's okay.
Rate it. Rate it.
No, try the middle part.
Try it with a lot of filling.
Reaction reveal daw. What's that?
It's ube.
Alright.
I like it, but I won't buy it again.
It's a purple yam. Ube.
It's good.
Really?
Good?
You like it more than that one?
Is it too sweet or just enough?
Rate. 1 to 10.
Really?
Really?
Have you tried peach mango pie?
10 daw.
That one or mango pie?
Which one do you like more?
Mango pie.
Which one?
Makagat mo.